channel. We're here back in Disneyland 3 years after our Disney College program, and we have all the girlies and the husbands and the future husbands and the future baby Besner. We just found out last night, Megan told us that she's pregnant.
And we think it's half thinks it's girl, half thinks it's boy.
And we're finding out the gender today. So today's gonna be a very exciting vlog. I cannot believe this is happening. It's like really weird. Okay, so excited.
I'm like excited to know. I'm like, just really.
I can't believe you're gonna know what baby you're having. Okay, we're here. I should have brought my little tripod.
What?
I don't know. Okay, we just walked in. This is Will's first time at Disneyland. Are you excited?
Very much so.
Yes, he's gonna see the teeny tiny baby castle for the first time. But she's a cutie, so we're excited about it. Look at the horse, Willie. Aww, this is so exciting. I love going to Disney for the first time, or with people who haven't been before. It makes me so happy. Megan!
It's a boy! No, it's not. It's a girl. Boys are mallards.
No, I meant the baby.
That's Megan and your baby. Okay, so Megan just took some engagement photos of Casey and I, which was so fun. And then I changed because I just couldn't be wearing that dress all day. It was very uncomfortable. And now we're on the search for balloons to do the gender reveal. So exciting. Megan has the email since yesterday, and she's gonna let Gina and Rachel and I look at it and then bring them a pink or a blue balloon. But we don't see balloons, so we're gonna have to scope it out. But yeah, very exciting. Okay, so a little change of plan. They do not sell balloons until the afternoon. And so we're gonna wait, which is so, like, the anticipation is killing everybody, especially Megan and Drew. Yeah. So the girlies just got the Black Calf Cold Brew and in Galaxy's Edge, and now we're going to Toontown to do some rides. So yes, so excited. Casey got a Monster, I got a soda. We also had the garlic cheese bread that all the girlies, Will and Drew, had for the first time.
Yeah, so good.
So good.
The goodies.
Oh no!
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
It's Drew's first time.
You're all waltzing so
Alright, boys, a little more power to it.
Now, let's go! Look at our teeth. He created everything.
Yes.
Here we go, Roger Rabbit. There's your How did you guys feel about Roger Rabbit?
Like a fever trip.
It was a fever dream. How did you like it? It's cavalcade time! Yay! Mickey's Sensational Parade. I miss it.
There you go.
Slay!
Hit the goodies.
Work it! Go, Minnie! Woo! Go, Chip! Yeah! Go, Pluto!
I love you, Bubby.
Yes.
You have the time to change your face.
Jasmine! So cute. Aww. How cute! Peter!
You're kicked up.
She's so cute. I can't believe you're gonna be a mom.
You're glowing.
You are glowing.
Okay. 3, ready?
Yeah. Scene.
I'm the mom, and I think I'm thinking girl, but I also could be convinced boy. So either way, we'll see.
Hi, I'm the dad. think it's gonna be a girl.
I'm Unky Wheel.
I'm Will, and I think it's a boy.
I'm Mara, and I think it's a girl.
I think it's a boy.
It's a boy, Rachel.
My name is Casey, and I think it's a boy.
I'm Gina, and I think it's a girl.
Sorry, guys. No. Yeah!
Look at her. Yay! Okay, you guys, we are about to find out the gender of Megan and Drew's baby. Okay, are you gonna open it?
Wait till the. Okay, it's a video. We're about to watch it.
Okay. The pink is scaring me, you know. Oh my god.
Are you ready to jump for joy? Are you ready to fill your cup with a one-of-a-kind happiness? Plan for joy. Prepare for happiness. Your baby's gender is coming in. Oh my god.
Count on 3, 2, 1. It says congratulations.
Wait, rewind it back so you can see that. No, because this is what I wanted to
Oh my god. I can't believe she did this.
Megan, we love you.
I can't believe it.
Oh my god.
And, ooh, wow. It's because we were having so many boy clues it ended up being.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Come to guest relations, lady.
The lady. Oh my
Finish! Okay, come to the guest relations lady is what she said.
Okay, little baby bee. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Drew's gonna cry. Drew's gonna cry. I can't believe it. No, watch this. Figure it out.
How cute they are.
We are here.
Okay. Yeah, hold it really down low so it doesn't go above your head. Wait. Hold on.
Hold on, hold on.
Hold on. Stay there for pictures.
All right.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Go. Wait. Oh my god.
I saw the red thing and I thought it was gonna be blue. Oh, it's blue. I know it.
Yeah!
An absurd amount of pictures on here. Wait, this is your
Oh my gosh. It's okay.
phone. They should go to the other wall, like the corner.
So cute.
Been snacking a lot. Garlic bread.
Why are we standing?
Okay, we're at Earlift Sandwich. I got the Chipotle chicken avocado something or other. We got some soup, we got some mac and cheese over there. Everything's looking good. Oh, what is that?
Spoon cover. They're all like that.
Sanitary, how cute. Forky. And yeah, how is it? Casey and I also got a cookie and he also got a pizza bread.
I got you 2 spoons. Never play with the Audi belly button.
We got a show. Was it Audi belly button break? I have an innie.
I have an innie too.
And you have an out of your weird.
That's why I said
All right, so we just spent the last few hours at the beach having a little bonfire. The girlies loved it.
So much.
It was so much fun. Oh, Megan, there she is. So this is our fire. She's dying, but we still have a lot of wood. But we're gonna go home and play some games. Are we excited?
So pumped.
Me too. To me. Who wants the solo?
It's my air guitar song.
Mama.
Don't see me whip it down the
Just killed a man.
my 21st
Put a
birthday.
gun against his head. Pulled my string, now he's dead. Whoa!
Here, beat me. Here, new one. To you, Drew, right here. Bang.
I got that on film!
Me and Will, I think 3 for 3. Willie for Willie.
For Will.
And 1.
We'll give you a new one, Gina. We'll give you
New one. Refill. Reload.
Drive by, drive by.
Drive by right here.
No, Gina. Gina.
Here, you guys.